So, hello students. Today, let us discuss something about the skull. This is always kept in the practical examinations, and the foramen of the skull are very important. The foramen and the structures passing through the various foramen. Okay, we'll start. So, first and foremost, बच्चों, what is this for the skull? What is this? What is this? ये है outer table of the skull. What's this? That's the inner table of the skull. And what's this structure? What's this here? That's the diploe. So outer table here, inner table here, that's the diploe. Okay, we'll start with this. Now that's the lesser wing of sphenoid bone. Lesser wing of sphenoid bone, that's the greater wing of sphenoid bone. This is the body of sphenoid. ठीक है बच्चों? Lesser wing of sphenoid bone, this one, that's the greater wing of sphenoid bone, that's the body of the sphenoid, also known as the pituitary fossa. Pituitary fossa. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. ये है lesser wing of sphenoid. This is the anterior clinoid process. That's the greater wing of sphenoid. This is the body of sphenoid. ये clear है ना? The sphenoid looks like a butterfly. तो इसके दो limbs कहाँ होते हैं? Where are the two legs of the butterfly? They are down, नीचे. I'll just turn the skull बच्चों. These are the two legs of the butterfly. That's a medial pterygoid plate and the lateral pterygoid plate. So that's how the sphenoid bone looks like a butterfly. So the lesser wing of sphenoid, fine. And what is this bone? बच्चों, this is a very hard bone, hard like a rock. इसे हम बोलेंगे petrous part of the temporal bone. This is what we call as the petrous part of temporal bone. So the lesser wing of sphenoid and the petrous part of temporal divides the skull into three fossae: the anterior cranial fossa, the middle cranial fossa, and the posterior cranial fossa. Ab, coming to the anterior cranial fossa, what is this, students? What is this? If we break this, अगर हम इसे तोड़ देते हैं, we go into the orbit. ये कौन है? Orbit. If we break this, we go into the orbit. So this is known as the orbital plate of frontal bone. Orbital plate of frontal bone. ये देख रहे हो आप? This is a perforated plate. Perforated plate. So what is this? The cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. This is the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. ये है crista galli. Crista galli. ये जो elevation है, the elevation is crista galli. You'll see a foramen here. What's this? The foramen cecum. Foramen cecum. What is this? Orbital plate of frontal bone. This is the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. Who comes in from here? The olfactory nerves come in from here. That's the crista galli. That's the foramen cecum. This is the frontal crest. Frontal crest. Fine है बच्चों? Now, what is this foramen? ये देखो हम कहाँ आ गए. If we put a probe from here, we come into the orbit. अपन orbit में आते हैं. Look at that. Oh ho, one moment. If I put this, look where have we come to. That's the orbit. So this is what we call as the optic canal. Optic canal. What passes in from here? The optic nerve and the ophthalmic artery, right? The optic nerve and the ophthalmic artery passes to the optic canal. What is this now? ये ना lesser wing of sphenoid के नीचे there's a long fissure, the superior orbital fissure. ये जो लंबा सा fissure देख रहे हो, यो, that's a superior orbital fissure. What passes to this? The third nerve, the fourth nerve, the sixth nerve, and the ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Third, fourth, sixth, and the ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Perfect है बच्चों? Fine, समझ में आ रही है? Coming to this middle cranial fossa, this is the anterior cranial fossa, that's the middle cranial fossa. यहाँ पे foramens होंगे. What is this foramen? This one, that's the foramen rotundum. And what passes to the foramen rotundum? Maxillary nerve. Maxillary nerve. What's this foramen? That's the foramen ovale. Foramen ovale. इससे क्या जाएगा? M-A-L-E. Male. You know this, no? But exam में बोलो मत है examiner को male structures, right? So M is mandibular nerve, A accessory meningeal artery, L lesser petrosal nerve, E emissary vein. Fine, M-A-L-E. Behind the foramen ovale, what's that? foramen spinosum. What passes through this foramen spinosum, बच्चों? The middle meningeal artery and the nervus spinosus. The middle meningeal artery and the nervus spinosus. That's the foramen lacerum. What comes in from here? The internal carotid artery and the deep petrosal nerve. What is deep petrosal nerve? This is the sympathetics around the internal carotid artery. एक nerve बनती है deep petrosal nerve. So that's the foramen lacerum, internal carotid artery and the deep petrosal nerve. What's this now? ये है clivus. ये देख रहे हो आप? This is the clivus. Who lies on this? The brainstem. The brainstem lies on the clivus. This is the petrous part of temporal bone. What is this foramen? ये देख रहे हो आप foramen? This is the internal acoustic meatus. Internal acoustic meatus. What passes from here? The seventh nerve, the eighth nerve and the labyrinthine artery. Seventh nerve, eighth nerve, labyrinthine artery. ये कौन है? That's a jugular foramen. This jugular foramen is divided into three compartments. ये ना jugular foramen divided into three compartments. Anterior compartment, inferior petrosal sinus. Middle compartment, 9th, 10th, 11th cranial nerves. Posterior compartment क्या जाता है बच्चों? Sigmoid sinus. Sigmoid sinus. This is the foramen magnum, which is divided into two compartments by alar ligament of Dens. फिर anterior compartment से क्या जाएगा? Yes, the tip of the Dens, apical ligament of Dens and cruciate ligament. Posterior compartment से क्या जाएगा? The lower part of the medulla and the meninges, the spinal accessory nerve, the vertebral artery and vein, the anterior and posterior spinal artery. Anything else left? Anterior and posterior spinal artery and the tonsils of the cerebellum. Tonsils of the cerebellum. Fine, that's the foramen magnum. ये देख रहे हो आप? This is the internal occipital crest. This is the groove for transverse sinus. ये transverse sinus बाद में बनेगा sigmoid sinus. You can see this S-shaped sigmoid sinus. अब ये जितने भी markings आप देख रहे हो बच्चों, this markings are for the middle meningeal artery. ये जो markings आप देख रहे हो, this are caused by the middle meningeal artery. That's the clivus. इतना आपको याद रखना है. इतने foramen आपको याद रखने हैं. Now coming down, these are the occipital condyles. They fit into the atlas. The atlas, what is the name of the joint? Atlanto-occipital joints. Atlanto-occipital joint. ये है mastoid process. You can see a groove here. That's for the posterior belly of digastric. Posterior belly of digastric. ये है hard palate. That's the incisive foramen. This is the medial pterygoid plate. That's the lateral pterygoid plate. This is the pterygoid fossa. This is the pterygoid hamulus. Pterygoid hamulus. यहाँ पे tensor palatis is going to wind around this pterygoid hamulus. Clear है? So that's a medial pterygoid plate. That's a lateral pterygoid plate. The pterygoid fossa and the pterygoid hamulus. This is the pharyngeal tubercle. This is the basisphenoid, basiocciput. ये है pharyngeal tubercle. Fine है? This is the carotid canal. बच्चा ये carotid canal है. यहाँ पे होगा styloid process. टूट गया है ये styloid process. This is the spine of sphenoid. The spine of sphenoid is related to two nerves, है ना? One is, बोल सकते हो? Anyone? The spine of sphenoid related to the lingual nerve and the auriculotemporal nerve. ये है spine of sphenoid. That's the styloid process which is cut here. This is the mandibular fossa. What fits into this is the head of the mandible. This is the mandibular fossa. What fits here? The head of the mandible. What is the name of the joint? TM joint. What is the type of joint? The condylar type of synovial joint. TM joint. Okay बच्चों, that's the external acoustic meatus. यहाँ पे एक H-shaped suture होता है. What is this H-shaped suture? Pterion. Pterion. Who's lying deep to this? The middle meningeal artery and the stem of lateral sulcus. This H shape देख रहे हो? That's pterion. Who lies deep to this? The middle meningeal artery and the stem of the lateral sulcus. Okay. Anything else left? This is the ये ना ये नेजल सेप्टम होगा, यहाँ पे नेजल सेप्टम, इट इज ब्रोकन ऑफ. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस मैनी फोरामेन यू नीड टू नो अबाउट द स्कल. बस इतने फोरामेंस याद रखना, स्ट्रक्चर्स पासिंग थ्रू द फोरामेन याद रखना, नथिंग एल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. एनीवे, स्टाइलॉइड प्रोसेस 3 मसल्स अटैच होते हैं, स्टाइलोग्लॉसस, स्टाइलोफैरिंजिस, स्टाइलोहायोइड. स्टाइलोग्लॉसस की नर्व सप्लाई, हाइपोग्लॉसल नर्व, स्टाइलोहायोइड फेशियल नर्व, स्टाइलोफैरिंजिस ग्लॉसोफैरिंजियल नर्व. स्टाइलोहायोइड, स्टाइलोग्लॉसस, स्टाइलोफैरिंजिस. ठीक है, 2 लिगामेंट्स हैं, स्टाइलो मैंडिबुलर लिगामेंट, स्टाइलोमैंडिबुलर लिगामेंट. फाइन, that's it. Fine students, so this is about the skull. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you so much.